Yeah, kind of similar to Times Square. The car, the rain, the puddles, the reflections, the lights, the life. We are about to do a little bit of exploring through Nagoya. This time around, I'm going somewhere different. So right now we are in Nagoya and I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring. It's a little rainy outside, so I gotta deal with that, but hey, it's all good. It's all good, it comes with it. You know, that's Japan for you. We're gonna roam around the city, just drive through, check out Nagoya, see what it's about. We're basically in Nagoya right now. The first place I wanted to drive over to was this famous tower that they got here. It's like one of the oldest electronic signal tower something, I don't know. It's one of the oldest towers out here, and supposedly it's super popular. This place is known for it. It's like their staple. It's their mark, kind of like the Empire State Building is in New York, and you know, the Golden Gate Bridge is in San Francisco. For here, Nagoya, it's this tower. It's a cool looking area. I think I drove by it earlier today. Now I'm gonna officially drive to it and stop. I gotta find some place to park, get some cool photos. My whole goal is just to roam the streets of Nagoya, check out the area, park, and get some good photos of the car, especially those classic in the rain Japanese at night, you know, Japanese city vibes type photos. It's gonna be cool. So hopefully they come out good. I haven't done it before. Luckily it's not pouring down. Earlier it was starting to pour a little bit, but luckily it's slowed down just a little bit, so you got that nice rain glisten off the streets. But then, you know, with this car and the lighting outside and the city, I think it'll be pretty cool. So we'll see how it is. I'll find some good spots to knock that out and just do a little bit of exploring through the streets of Nagoya. Closing in on this Nagoya TV tower. That's what it's called. If you look it up on your GPS, you're trying to find it. Nagoya TV tower. Actually, I can see it right there. Not sure how it looks like on the GoPro right now, but visually for me, eyeballing it, I can see the thing. It is tall. It's cool. And it's like right in the middle of downtown. I don't know if it was on purpose how they did that, if they wanted it to be like this staple of the town, but it is. You can see it right there, the TV tower, and you can see they have like all these different Japanese symbols going up it. There's a screen that goes all the way up, kind of similar to Times Square in a way. So when I get up closer to it, I'll be able to check it out, look at it a little bit more, look at some more culture up there. I love all the different symbols that they use, and you know, cartoons for everything, and a lot of positivity in it. It looks like these folks here are very much about good energy, positive energy, and that's good, right? We want a positive world. Nothing wrong with a positive world. Roaming the streets of Nagoya in the rain at night doesn't get more Japanese vibe than this. All right, put it in first gear, come off the line. I'm always slow coming off the line in the manuals. Why? I don't know. I just do it slow. Until I get to the drag strip, then I'm launching 7,000 RPM on the streets. I just chill. And there's this really cool lit, I don't know if this is like a bus station here or something. There's a really cool lit building that's a very cool structure to it. I don't even know what it's called, but I remember I saw it in the pictures when I saw this tower. So I'm gonna find somewhere to park, somewhere near here, so I can get some good photos. I gotta figure this out. Never been here. Destination's gonna be on my right, so I should probably get in the right lane. Who knows if there's even gonna be parking nearby. I might not be able to find it. We'll see. We'll find out next. Man, roaming the streets of Nagoya here on a nice rainy night here in Japan is pretty cool, pretty cool. I mean, I'm exploring. I really got no real aim, no real plan, just, you know, checking it out. Just went to the tower, the TV tower, the famous Nagoya TV tower here. They got this little train station, bus station area. I think it's train station. Really, really cool structure that they built there, super colorful. Stop by there real quick, and I'm about to roam through the very well lit area. This is it kind of looks like and reminds me of Shibuya in Tokyo. You know, everybody knows the Shibuya Square Square. If you watch the movie Tokyo Drift, you saw them drifting through Shibuya Square with all those people walking across. That's where that has that like big crosswalk where it's like, you know, it's an X and everybody can walk all different kind of directions. It's pretty cool, especially when there's a lot of people there doing it. Yeah, this area that we're about to drive into right here has that kind of feel. We'll see. I mean, it's very well lit, you know, like Vegas, a little bit like New York in some ways. That Tokyo vibe, well lit city, downtown, got the rain going on too. It's been great driving through the rainy streets of Nagoya, seeing what it's like on a rainy day, a rainy night in Japan. What's that city life like? We experienced it just driving around, getting some cool shots. The car, the rain, the puddles, the reflections, the lights, the life, the energy, everything about it. It's just cool. Those vibes you get in Japan, you feel it, you see it. We're here. We're experiencing it. That was cool. Fun times. Definitely fun times for sure. Now I'm about to head to the hotel and go get some rest because we've got a long day tomorrow. Well, the next few days I will be near Mount Fuji, and not just anywhere near it. I'm gonna be at Fuji International Speedway. Should be super, super fun. Before that, I want to get a couple more quick shots at the hotel once we get there, because for whatever reason, right when you drive in, right next to the lobby, that little holding area where you can stop, pause, go check in and all that stuff, for whatever reason, this particular courtyard is the vibes. There's very modern type look. The lights are really nice. It reflects really nice off of the car. And now that we got the water droplets on this car, it's actually gonna look super sick when I pull in. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm just imagining it in my head, but we'll see in these shots. We'll see how they turn out. Let me know in the comments what you think once we get up to the hotel. But for now, we're just gonna chill and drive through the rainy streets downtown Nagoya.
Destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
We arrived at the hotel Courtyard Marriott. I'm gonna park right quick in this little spot that has some really, really good lighting right here. And I'm gonna get some cool shots of the car.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night.